You want to make money online, right? Everyone's talking about it. The internet is buzzing with opportunities and you don't want to miss out. Redbubble is a great place to start. It's a vibrant marketplace where creativity meets commerce. It's a platform where you can sell your designs. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, Redbubble welcomes all. Think t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, you name it. Your designs can be printed on a wide range of products. The best part, you don't need to handle inventory or shipping. No more worrying about stock or logistics. Redbubble takes care of all that. They handle the printing, packaging, and shipping for you. You just focus on creating awesome designs. Let your imagination run wild and bring your ideas to life. Millions of people shop on Redbubble every day. It's a bustling marketplace with endless potential. They're looking for unique products, items that stand out and resonate with their personal style, products that speak to them. Things that they can't find anywhere else. That's where you come in. Your creativity can fill that niche. With some hustle and creativity, you can turn your passion into profits. It's all about putting in the effort and believing in your work. Think of it like this. You're an artist with a stall at a global flea market, but this market is open 24/7 and reaches customers worldwide. But instead of hoping people walk by, you can use the internet to bring them directly to you. Utilize social media, SEO, and online marketing to drive traffic. That's the power of platforms like Redbubble. They provide the tools and audience. You bring the creativity. So, are you ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur? Let's get started. The world is waiting for your unique creations. First things first, you need a Redbubble account. It's free and easy to set up. Just head over to redbubble.com and click join. You'll need to choose a username and password. Pick something catchy and memorable. Your username is your brand on Redbubble. Once you're logged in, take some time to complete your profile. Upload a profile picture and write a short bio. Tell people who you are and what inspires your art. A complete profile looks more professional. It shows buyers that you're serious about your work. Now the fun part, setting up your shop. Redbubble lets you customize your shop banner and add a personal message. Use this space to showcase your brand personality. Think of it as decorating your virtual storefront. Make it inviting and visually appealing. First impressions matter even online. Here's the heart of it. Creating designs people will actually want to buy. It's not just about making something pretty, it's about making something that resonates with people, something that they feel connected to and want to own. What are you passionate about? What drives you to create? Think about the things that make you excited, the things that you can spend hours doing without even noticing the time pass. What makes you unique? Use your interests to fuel your creativity. Your personal experiences and passions are what will set your designs apart from the rest. Maybe you love cats, coffee, and outer space. Combine them. Don't be afraid to mix and match different elements that you love. A cat sipping coffee on the moon, why not? The more unique and personal your design, the more it will stand out. Redbubble offers a wide range of products. Think about your designs and what products they would look best on. Visualize your art on different items and see where it fits best. A bold graphic might work well on a t-shirt. T-shirts are a great canvas for striking, eye-catching designs. A cute, quirky design might be perfect for a sticker or a mug. These items are perfect for smaller, more detailed designs that can add a touch of personality to everyday objects. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn about what works and what doesn't. When creating your designs, keep quality in mind. High-quality designs are more likely to attract buyers and make a lasting impression. Use high-resolution images and pay attention to detail. The little things can make a big difference in the final product. Redbubble has some great resources and design guidelines on their website. These resources can help you understand the best practices for creating designs that look great on their products. Check them out. They'll help you ensure your designs look their best on all products. Taking the time to learn and apply these guidelines can make a significant difference in the quality and appeal of your work. You've got amazing designs, your creativity and hard work have paid off, and now you have a collection of stunning artwork ready to be shared with the world. Now you need to get people to see them. Redbubble is a marketplace, that means there's competition. But don't let that discourage you, but don't worry, there are plenty of ways to stand out from the crowd. First up, social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your designs. These platforms are visual-centric and perfect for artists like you. Share your creative process and connect with potential customers. People love to see the story behind the art. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Hashtags help categorize your content and make it discoverable to people who are interested in similar topics. Engage with other artists and communities in your niche. Join groups, participate in discussions, and share your insights. Remember, social media is all about building relationships. It's not just about promoting your work, but also about connecting with others. Don't just spam people with your products. Nobody likes to be bombarded with constant sales pitches. Be authentic, be engaging, and provide value. Share tips, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content. Another powerful tool, keywords. When uploading your designs on Redbubble, think strategically. Think about what words people might use to search for them. Keywords are crucial for search engine optimization. Use these keywords in your product titles and descriptions. This will help your designs appear in search results. This will make it easier for people to find your products when they're browsing Redbubble. The more visible your products are, the higher the chances of making a sale.